You started this morning.
Is it not, Mom? She's yelling at me every little thing.
Will you keep quiet? You were asked to wash this plate, and what were you doing since morning?
I was doing my assignment.
It's this morning you're supposed to do it. You like making Mom angry.
She should leave me alone.
You better go and take your bath. I don't want to see you in that bathroom when I'm done washing the plates. I'm sure it's already past 7.
Mom, I'm still eating.
No.
I'm not done with my food.
I'm ready for school.
Mom, I don't want to stay for lessons.
Mom, don't mind her. I'll make sure she's safe for lesson. Oh yeah, let's go. I want us to catch up with the morning assembly. I wasn't happy with yesterday's PTA meeting.
Why?
Because I saw other parents making suggestions on how things were done, but Mom was just there, keeping quiet.
What do you want her to say?
I know she has a lot to say, if she isn't dumb.
That's why I always advise her not to attend. I don't even know why you told her about the meeting.
She's a mother and she needs to know. She's all we have and we need to make her proud. We need to make her happy all the time so her condition will not affect her.
I'm not proud of her.
Will you shut up and walk faster?
Oh my God. See, get up, get up. What happened to you? Please get up. What happened to you? Please get up. Get up now. Oh, get up. Oh my God. I'm so sorry to have done this to you now. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Um, Jimmy, go and boil water and let me massage her.
What happened to her?
I think she was attacked.
By who?
Can you go and boil the water, please?
Sorry. Did you shout at the person?
Will you shut up? Come go and change your uniform. Jim, have you put the water on the fire?
I just found out that we don't have kerosene.
Kerosene? No, Nancy, don't worry. I have kerosene in my house. Go to my kitchen. And, you know what? Don't worry. Let me go and get it.
Mom, we were asked to come to school with our school fees tomorrow.
Uju, can't you see Mom is still in pain?
Is it not what our teachers told us to tell our parents when we get home?
This is not the right time.
And our exams are fast approaching now.
Would you stop it? What is wrong with you? Don't mind her, Mom. You'll be okay. But I wish I knew who did this to you. Come here. Come back here.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
Come and sweep this parlor before I'll beat you.
Beat you. Touch me now and see.
I should touch you. I should.
Mom, I was on my own. She not started beating me.
Liar. Tell her you messed the whole parlor with food and refused to clean it.
Mom, it's a lie. I didn't refuse, right? I didn't.
Just in that parlor. Uju, what are you doing outside all alone? Mom is calling you. I said Mom is calling you.
Just leave me alone. Leave me.
I'm going to tell Mom you said you're not coming.
Go ahead and tell her. After all, she will simply beat me up, and that's all.
Is that what you said?
Where's your mother?
She went out not long ago. Who are you?
You see?
I wanted to know who you are so I can tell my mom when she gets back.
Don't worry, I'll come back.
Did she tell you when she was leaving?
No, she didn't, but I thought she went to go and play with some of our friends.
Some of her friends. And have you gone to their houses to check if she's there?
I went to some of their houses, but they denied ever seeing her today.
Hi. This is serious. How could she have left without a trace? What kind of thing is this now? Eh? Children of these days, what's all this? What's all this? Nancy, where are you going? It's late already.
Mommy, come back. No, Mommy.
policeman. He came yesterday.
What is this now? What have I done?
Ben, I'm really sorry. But her child went missing. She hasn't been herself ever since.
Oh, then let us go to the police now, instead of her attacking me and trying to destroy me here. What is this, Nan?
Ben, but you have to help. You've been a very good friend of the family. You have to, you see she's losing it.
I'll be going to the police station now to lodge complaint and see what I can do. Eh?
I thought you have stopped crying. I thought you have stopped. If you continue like this, what do you expect of me? Mom, please stop. The police have promised to find her and bring her back to us. Nothing will happen to her. She'll be back. That friend has promised to help out too.
No.
What is it?
No.
You don't like that man? Why?
What reason could you possibly have to suspect him?
My mom doesn't like him. And I'm serious about that.
You know your mom is going through lots of trauma at the moment and it's making her aggressive.
No, my mom has never attacked anybody before. But maybe you're right. I just pray Uju will be brought back to us.
God will bring her back to us. She's in my prayer and I know he will bring her back to us safely. It's okay, my dear. Have you had anything to eat?
Yes, but my mom has refused to eat. And I don't think I want to eat if she doesn't want to eat something.
Since morning, she has not eaten anything. Let's go inside, let me talk to her.
How can you ask me such a ridiculous question? I was as surprised as you when she attacked me.
Chinwe thinks what her mom is trying to say is that you know something about the missing child.
What do I stand to gain by kidnapping her child?
I don't know. But the girl said you came around the day her sister got missing.
Yes. I went to the house to say hello, and the girl told me that her mommy was not home. Has it now become a crime for me to visit my late friend's wife and children?
That woman has not been herself ever since. And you can't blame her for accusing you. Especially since she learned you're the only one who came around.
I'm going to try everything I can to make sure the girl is returned to her family safe and sound. But for me, I will never ever go to that house again. I won't even go near at all. My daughter is dead. I have your daughter. She's safe for now. And I will bring her back only on one condition. You know what I want. Just make sure I get it anytime I want it. Simple. And your daughter will come back. Sound better. Right? See how you are soft. Soft. Come here, come and sit down. Come and sit down here. Come now. Come here. Sit down now, everything will be okay. Your daughter is safe. Come. It's okay. Aye. Now, you help me to remove my belt and bring things out. Oh yeah, now. Remove it. Yeah, that's okay. Stop crying. Remove it.
I'm really disappointed at you. Wait, let me ask you. Who do you want to die and leave your children for? To train? Who? You know how grievous an offense it is for one to kill herself. And yet you went ahead to do it.
Auntie, please, my mom have cried enough. We need her to stop crying.
Let her go ahead and kill herself. Let me see what she will achieve by doing that. Nancy, I begged you, I promised you that your daughter will come back, Uju will return. But you need to believe in God. You need to trust in Him. I thought you were listening to me. Please.
Okay. Where did you go? Who took you? So good to have you back. Oh my God. I'm so happy.
How can you tell me you cannot recognize the man that kidnapped you?
I said I don't recognize him. Please let me eat.
Did he rape you?
No, he did nothing. Even if he touched me, I would have told you and Mom.
Then why did he kidnap you? Only knowing he'll set you free without taking anything from us.
Yeah.
Maybe you should go and ask him yourselves.
She's obviously hiding something from us.
Yeah.
Something will just be one small thing now. Boy, everything is fine.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you for your help once again. My sister is back. The kidnapper finally released her.
Oh, wow! Are you serious?
Look at her there.
I'm very happy for you people. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations. Well done. You come and greet me here.
Jua, come and greet him now.
Don't worry. Maybe your mom told her not to be greeting strangers. It's okay. My motor just broke down here. I'm trying to look for a mechanic to fix it.
Thank you for your help once again.
Well done, my dear. You have done well. Oh.
What's your problem?
What happened to you? Hey, what happened to you? Hi! Accident! Hey, I'm so sorry. Keke Abi? Keke, these Keke people. What kind of... Hey, I'm so sorry. I hope there is no injury. Body pain. I'm so sorry, my dear. Sorry. Oh, your children, they're not back yet. Let's go inside. What kind of... I know, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This Keke people. Let's go home. Let's go home.
What happened to you? Am I not talking to you?
Is it not Chike, my classmate? He bullied me again and I attacked him back.
You did what? Mom warned you severally not to engage yourself in fights in school. And you did that without informing me.
You were gone already.
Why did you move it to tomorrow morning? And look at what you have done to your uniform.
Mom, he first looked for my trouble. I was on my own as I was coming home.
Won't you take corrections? You did that because you thought you could fight without our approval. You hurt yourself. Mom, it's okay. You hurt yourself. Mom, it's okay. We know you are hot. But let me see whether this hot water could reduce the swelling. Oju, don't leave without collecting this.
Collecting what?
Mom said we should take it to school and sell it during break period.
How do you expect me to sell popcorn to my classmates? Please leave me alone.
Mom said we should take it to school, and you know she had an accident.
I'm not going to carry this to school.
You are ashamed. You are ashamed of what we used to feed on currently.
Can't we sell it after school?
To who? Mom says school is the only place she can afford us to sell here, not the streets.
I'm not carrying this home.
Let me go and tell her.
Come back, I'm a boy.
Today I'll slap you and remind you that I'm your senior.
Sorry about the accident. But this life is very wicked. Oh. When you have something inside your mind and you cannot say because you are dumb. You cannot. I have returned your daughter because I promise you I will return her. Now it's your turn to make sure that you fulfill your promises to me. Oh, my later. Come here now. Come here now. Just come here. Come. Chai. Even the way I walk is small. Hey. Chai. Oh. How are you? Stop it! Stop listening now. Every time you'll be making somebody to beat you. Can you not do it one time and just enjoy yourself? Just give yourself and enjoy it. Get up there. Get up there. So you don't know how to greet somebody, Abby? Come here and greet me. Come here and greet me now.
Mom!
Keep quiet there.
Mom!
Please,
Mom,
be
help
there.
me!
Keep quiet.
Mom!
Keep quiet.
I can't believe you know him, Mom.
Why did you go home before me, Uju?
I was having a stomach upset and I saw the... Mom, leave me alone.
You saw who?
I saw the man that kidnapped me.
You what? Are you serious about this?
Does this look like a joke to you? I saw him around this house. I'm afraid Mom's life is in danger.
We need to alert Auntie Blessing and police about it. Mom, why did you cover her mouth? Isn't this a serious issue? Or do you know that man? Did you see him?
No, Mom, I'm not accepting. You can keep your popcorn, but I'm going to tell Auntie Blessing and the police that you know the man that kidnapped me. How can you pretend like you don't know him? He's going to get a chinwe if we don't talk. Oh. Then let me talk so he won't hurt me or anybody. Why are you so afraid of him? And by the way, how do you know him and what does he want with you?
What's going on here? Uju, you've not swept the compound yet, and I'm sure you're being stubborn to Mom, isn't it? Mom, what is it? Mom?
Ben, I don't understand your interest in that dumb woman. She's even a widow.
I'm in love with her, and that is final.
But you can't marry her now. Your people no go agree.
That one is the most painful part. And every time I think of the past, I just cannot help but regret my actions.
Must you always dwell in the past? Forget about her and move on. You ought to be married by now, and you people are expectant already.
Let them wait now. Let them wait. When I'm ready, I'm ready. They will have to wait. When she says yes, then I'm ready.
A mother of two? Ben, you must be mad. Ben, come back to your senses, oh. There are a lot of beautiful girls around you can choose from. Why are you longing for a sour dikebe?
Moses, mind yourself, oh. I say mind yourself. Anytime you refer to her like that, I will make sure I crack this bottle and shave your baby.
Ben, I was just giving you an advice.
Go and advise yourself. In fact, you know what? You have to go now. I say rain wants to fall. Go now.
I just gave you an advice.
It's okay. Bye-bye. Okay. Happy advice.
What do you want?
You think you can embarrass me in class and go scot-free?
Madam, I was asked to write the names of noisemakers.
So you had the guts to write my name, me, in noisemakers. I'm gonna do it to you now.
Touch me now and see, or report the both of you to our teacher tomorrow.
You will only do that if you're gonna survive what I'm gonna do to you now.
Ow!
Rita Barrow! Leave her alone! You let go of my sister. Oh, so you mean you want to fight for your sister, isn't it? Leave me! Very well, very well, very well. Very well, leave me. Mom, do you know Uju left me today and ran home?
Did I ask you to fight for me?
Is that what you're going to tell me for saving your life?
Saving who? You knew those guys were going to beat you, but yet you attacked. Which means you brought the pain upon yourself.
I don't blame you. Mom, I'm sorry. The fault is mine. I shouldn't have.
What are you doing around here? I was just heading to your house.
My house?
Yes.
What is the problem?
No problem at all. I prepared this sumptuous abacha and I decided to bring some to you.
I don't eat abacha.
You don't? I thought you liked abacha. I used to see you at Mama Obina's place.
That's not the only thing she used to sell now.
Okay, did you come to see someone around here?
I came to see someone down this road, but the person is not around, so I'm leaving now.
Leaving? Without tasting my sweet abacha.
I don't like it.
Nancy, what are you doing with a knife? You want to kill me? Hold on. Were you expecting to attack someone the way you're holding this knife? Girl, I just came to seek an advice from you. Please drop that knife. Thank you.
Um, I knew about your relationship with Ben, and I knew how everything ended when you got married. Sadly, I also fell in love with him. I know you may still love him, but I just need you to understand that I love him too. Listen, Nancy, you have 2 kids. I don't have any. And age is no longer on my side. Hold on. You don't want me to marry your ex? Is that it? Yeah. Oh, you don't even want me to get married at all? You don't want to make I marry? All for you.
Mom, we were sent away on to pay our school fees.
No, Mom, our midterm break just started.
Won't you tell the truth, Chinwe? Stop hiding it.
It's true, but we can manage.
We were not to return to school until we pay our school fees.
What do you want Mom to do about it? To steal or what? Stop exaggerating things.
All I know is that I want to return to school.
Uju, you're not ready yet.
I want to go to school.
Can't you see there's no money? No money!
Then Mom should provide money for us to return to school. Or is it not our responsibility to train us?
Yes, it's her responsibility, but it's also our responsibility to help her out. Let's sell this popcorn and see whether we can save up some money.
I'm tired.
You know Mom will not be happy with me when she gets back from the church. Well, I'm going to go and sell my own popcorn. If you like, do arrange your own. I'm going.
What do you want?
Won't you at least allow me to come in?
I'm very busy now, so tell me what you want.
Why is it that you're always busy each time I want us to talk?
Because nothing reasonable used to come out of your mouth now.
So my feelings for you are not reasonable. Ben, why are you treating me this way? Or are you still in love with Nancy?
God forbid. What kind of stupid statement is that one? Withdraw it immediately.
Well, she's still interested in you. Which was why she didn't want me to go for you. But I thought you have moved on.
I have moved on. She has gotten married since how many years and I've moved on. Now she has 2 children. I've more than moved on. I'm no longer interested.
Fine. Then give us a chance.
I'm not in the mood of giving. It's okay. Just give me small time.
I've given you more than enough chance. You just don't want to consider me. Who is that woman that's taking my place in your heart?
I'm very busy now. Very, very, very busy.
Are you asking me out of your house? Ben,
I'm busy now, man. Later we'll talk. Thank you.
What is it?
I'm tired.
You barely hawked for an hour and you're tired. You've not even sold any of the popcorn you're carrying.
I'm not a hawker. I want to go to school.
There's no time for this. Just get up and finish selling your popcorn before you can follow me home.
You can go home alone. I know my way around.
Uju, time is going. I'm warning you now. Better get up and let's do this business and go home. I know it's not easy, but we have to try. Mom will not kill herself for us. I mean, carry your popcorn, let's go. Uju, let's go. Let's go.
school fees. I don't have any money to lend you. I don't. Nancy, things are hard. I can't come up with any cash right now. Exam. I know their exams are coming up, but there's nothing I can do. Okay. Why not go to Benjamin? I'm sure he'll be willing. No. Just tell him you want school fees for your children. He will. What's I talk now? He still cares about you. Oh, just go to him. Tell him school fees. He will give you double. Oh.
Hey, this one running up and down and bringing knife. I saw your children on the road hawking, and I know it's something to do with their school fees. So I brought you something to pay their school fees. I don't want disturbance. Every time I come here, I want to be me and you alone. In fact, there's some money left there to do some things around the house and pay for extra lesson. So after school, they will stay there and read their books well. I did not come here for anything today, now. So why are you doing me Girl Scouts? Be prepared. Piece of...
Mom, I don't understand. How did you get the money? I don't understand what you said.
Does it matter? The important thing is that we're returning back to school.
At least we need to know what she sold in order to get this money.
And replenish it or what? What are you even going to do with that information? I'm happy I'm not going to hawk anymore.
Lazy girl, did you even sell anything today? I've been the one selling everything.
Oh, take a word for it. Mom, please, I'm hungry. I need food.
That's all.
Ne, this one you have just shown up here unannounced. I hope everything is okay.
Everything is perfectly okay, my son. Because I know if I told you I'm coming, you wouldn't have allowed me to come. Especially knowing the reason of my coming. Good morning.
But now I'm going for business now and I'm already late.
No problem. I will stay if you want me to.
I don't like all this unannounced showing up something or you can wait in
Go to your business. I'll be in the house waiting. Give me the key. Let's go inside. Okay.
Amen.
Scared of what? He didn't respond to me. Don't worry. See, you don't know Benjamin, my son. That is how he behaves. But he's very caring. Very, very caring. Come inside. It's your husband's house. Get inside.
Oh, I'm sorry, please. Sorry. Mom, please. Please, Mom. Tell me, Chioma, do you like your mom?
Why do you ask?
Because I don't like mine. She always beats me and shouts at me.
How can a woman who doesn't speak shout at you?
That's the annoying thing. She can't speak and she can't keep quiet. She's always humming or grunting on every little thing.
What about your sister Chinwe?
That one. I don't like her as well. She doesn't correct my mom and she's always in support of everything my mom does. And she's always making me look like the black sheep of the family. And I don't like that.
Anyway, you shouldn't let that bother you. My mom doesn't shout at me. In fact, she tolerates everything about me.
I wish I was your sister. Sometimes I see the thing your mom gives you every time you come to school, and I really envy you. My mom will never give me such, even if she has it.
Forget your mom. I'll show you the way.
Really?
I can see our children have been looking for trouble. Hey, don't be silly. Sit down there. Sit down. Sit down. See, my mommy is in my house. I just been talking. Everything she's saying is just marriage. Let's get married. First, I will marry you. Then I'll marry the woman she wants me to marry. I can take care of you. No more popcorn. Everything will be okay. I'm telling you. From now on, every one of your responsibility will be on my head. And you know I can take it. Hey. Don't talk rubbish there. See. Don't forget your daughter is with me. And if you do anyhow, one finger can go missing. Bang. Like that. Stand up. Get up. Turn around now. Just.
Mom, please, it's okay. It's okay, please, Mom, please. It's okay. It's okay. How much is she steal? Please, it's okay. Just calm down, please. Listen to me, okay? Let go of your anger, please. Let go from inside. Uju, I'm so disappointed. She has gotten to the point of stealing from Mom. How much did I steal, self? How much? How much, my mom?
I thought we already had this discussion. Is this why you came all the way from the village?
Benjamin, your uncles are no longer happy with you.
Even me, I'm not happy with them. I've told you several times that I will get married when I want to get married. What is their own business?
I can see something is really wrong with you. You told us to give you time. It's 3 years now you said that, and up till now we've not had anything from you.
I'm not ready to say anything. If it takes 10 years for me to say something, then let it take. I'm not ready to get married. Is it by force?
Something is really wrong. Let me tell you now. This is Chisom, a very hardworking and responsible girl. I brought her from the village for you to marry. And you must marry her. She has been helping me in the village. What is wrong with you? You must marry her.
It's true. Mommy, anywhere you pick Chisom from, I would advise you now to go and return her there.
What?
Because this is not Chisom, this is Chisogi. Bye-bye, Mommy.
Take back there. Come back. Benjamin!
Mama, I knew it.
Don't cry, Joe.
I knew it. I knew he was not interested in me when I saw him.
Chisom, listen to me. You don't need to cry. Don't even shed any tears. See, listen to me now. I'm talking to you. You don't need to worry yourself. Benjamin is my son. He must marry you. Don't cry.
Mama, I feel like I've labored in vain. Just look at how he was talking to me.
You labored in vain. You did not labor anything in vain. Come, listen to me. I have told you, he must marry you. You don't need to cry.
Mom, what are you doing? That's my sister's bag. Is it because of the money she stole, or is it because she's not back yet? Please, you can't throw her out. She's still my sister. And I know how annoying her character is. But you can't throw her out. We still need her. But please, you need to show her some love, even though she doesn't deserve it. Please, Mom.
Yes, what is it?
Good afternoon.
What do you want from me?
Try and be nice for once now. Eh? Well, I'm heading towards Holy Trinity Road. I don't know if that's where you're headed.
Is that why you stopped me?
I know, actually, I was going to come to your house later, but since you're here, I'd like to invite you to my church on Saturday. We're having a crusade.
Let me tell you something. Let this be the very last time that you stop me and tell me rubbish here. Anytime you see me, just go your own. I'm telling you easily now. You face your road and go your own.
Mom, please, I'll talk to her. Just let her be. I beg of you. I know. But if you attack her today, she might leave the house and never come back again. No, Mom, she's still your child. And she's still my sister, please. Let's just forget about her for now. You have a lot to supply. Good day, sir.
How are you? Why are you not in school with your mates?
I was helping my mom set up her popcorn and I didn't finish on time, so I'll go to school tomorrow. Are you looking for my mom?
No. I mean, yes.
She's not around. She went to go and supply popcorn.
Tell her that I came here. Huh? Well, bye-bye.
Look here. This is a game player. I bought it for 3,000 naira.
Wow. It's beautiful. Can I borrow it? I'll give you back tomorrow.
Why not buy it from me? My mom said she'll get a new one for me next week.
How much will you sell it to me?
1,500 naira, and I'll give it to you.
Wow. That's a lot of money. I don't think I have it.
Of course you do. Or doesn't your mom make more than that a day in her business?
She does, but me, I don't want to steal from her again. The last time I tried this, I landed myself into trouble because she caught me.
Then get it from some other person.
Like who?
Don't they used to knock in the village where you come from?
How are you?
Fine.
Hi. How?
What is it?
Let's find out if you are hungry.
No.
Hi.
I don't want to eat anything. I say I'm not hungry. See, let me tell you something. The only reason you're still here is because my mom said you should stay for a few days. If not, so please, behave yourself. What? Because what, Nan? Okay, I'm hungry now. Go and make food for me. I say I don't want to eat this one. I want that one.
It's very sweet.
It's good. Make that one first. See, okay, go to the kitchen and make good that one. When you finish, we will negotiate another one. Go first.
Sure.
Go now.
I'm going now.
Okay. Go now.
This one is waiting for you.
It's good.
Okay.
What exactly are you trying to explain, Nancy? Eh? I borrowed you this money over a month ago. You kept promising, I will pay back. I will. When? When exactly? 2 weeks. 2 weeks, you swear? I don't want to have problem with you. Because I'm not the reason you cannot speak. I'm not. So I need my money. If after 2 weeks, I don't get my money, you will see the other side of me and you will not like it. You will not like it, oh. For what? God forbid, you and I friend. I'm not your friend. You cannot claim to be my friend and still pretend about Benjamin. You think I don't know? Oh.
So, Mom, how much do you owe her? 5,000 naira. Will you pay her, Mom? Will you pay her? Okay, we'll hustle hard and we'll pay her, okay? What happened to you? No, Mom, wait, Mom, please. Mom, let
I
her
wasn't the
talk.
one that beat her. It's one of our staffs.
Wait, no, mom, wait, please. What did you do?
I didn't do anything to her.
No, mom, please wait. Ma, what did she do?
She was caught trying to steal from one of our staffs and has been expelled.
I spoke to the school head after he left his office and pleaded with him, but he refused. He said the expulsion will serve as lesson to other students, especially the bad eggs. I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do about it.
Sir, please. Help us talk to the head. She's my only sister and we can't afford to see her out of school. Sir, please, my mom is heartbroken because of this. Help us talk to him.
I'll still talk to him, but like I said, the school head has already made up his mind. Even the girl that deceived her into stealing has also been expelled. I'm really sorry about this, but the school's reputation is more important to the school authority. I'm sure you will do the same if you're in our shoes.
Sir, please. Please, Mom. You have to listen to her.
I'm sorry, Mom. I beg of you, please. Forgive me, please. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to steal.
But you are just so terrible. I mean, all of the bad things you could think of is stealing. You have brought shame and disgrace to our family.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to steal. It was Chisom that convinced me.
Why won't she convince you? Why you no longer listen to me and Mom in this house? I just don't know what to say to you. It's okay, Mom. She's still your daughter. You can't throw her out.
I'm so ashamed at myself. Look at how you're defending me and I couldn't do the same for you. I'm sorry, please.
Mom, please.
Please, Mom. Thank you.
Just open this door now. Nancy! Nancy! See, open the... Open... Nancy! Nancy! Because of Blessing. Where's that Blessing here? Open the door! Just open this door. I want to talk to you. Nancy. Why are you calling Blessing? You think I have an affair with Blessing? You think I have something to do with that girl? Nothing! You are the only woman for me. You will always be the only woman on this earth for me.
Nancy, what's this noise I'm hearing? Are you okay? What's this noise that I'm hearing? Is there someone here with you? I can't... What are you trying to... What's that?
Only me and you. See, you thought I was having an affair with her. It's off. Mine is dead. Only me and you now. Okay? You can run away. We can stay here. We can do anything we want.
True. Has school dismissed?
Yes, I am still selling. Should have gone to the bus stop.
I went, but only few people bought.
Shouldn't have left the bus stop. That's where you sell easily, not here.
I'm even tired and hungry. I want to go home.
I'm tired and hungry too. But Mom will be very disappointed if she sees the popcorn she gave you isn't finished. And you know she's still unhappy with you.
Can you help me?
No problem. Let's go to a bus stop and see whether we can finish selling it.
Everything be okay. See, the only person that is taking eye, taking nose, taking leg inside our relationship is dead. We have killed her. You'll be alright. We have killed her. Don't worry. As long as you don't say anything, me too, I'll keep my mouth pure. Nobody will say anything. Nobody will know. Okay, take it easy. Eh? No, I will take care of everything. Come inside. No, see, dead people don't bite. Come inside. I will take care of everything. I will take care of you. My girl, I'll take care of you. Come inside. I'll take care of everything. I will take care of everything.
Mom, what happened?
He was here.
Mom, you can talk. She can talk.
Finally, I'm so happy, Mom. Is that why you're crying?
Killed her.
Who? What are you talking about, Mom?
Ben. He killed her. He attacked me, and when Blessing came to rescue me, he killed her. He killed her right in front of me.
Who is Ben?
Wait. Isn't he the man that kidnapped me? I can't keep quiet anymore, Mom. I'm going to the police to report him before he hurts you.
Uju, come back here! Uju! Go and tell your sister to come back here. Because if Ben finds her, he'll hurt her.
So you knew the man that kidnapped her, and you kept it from me. And it's the same man that killed Auntie Blessing.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was only protecting you and your sister.
Protecting us from what, Mom? Talk to me.
Hey, come and bab me here. Come and bab me here. You have no right to be with him.
He's my friend.
Then what am I?
Well, you're my friend too, and I like you the same way I like him.
I cannot believe you are standing here and telling me to my face this thing you are saying now. After I've told you that I want to get married to you.
Well, he also said the same thing, Ben.
Then what did you stand?
Ben, my parents want me to get married to a man serious enough to want to marry me.
And you're considering Maxwell. After you have looked around and say, I'm doing much better than he can ever do in his own life.
Because Maxwell has gone to see my parents. What have you done aside making promises upon promises?
But I've told you I want to marry you. I want to marry you.
Then prove it.
Just give me some more time. Everything will be...
I'm sorry, Ben. With this situation, Maxwell is more serious than you are. I'm sorry.
Nancy! Nancy! Maxwell. Maxwell, what are you doing? What is going on here?
What's the problem now?
What are you doing, my girl?
Your girl? Yes. You're calling my wife your girl?
Your wife. Have you made her bride price? This girl, everybody in this community knows that she belongs to me. Everybody.
Ben, listen to me. Let me tell you. You see this girl? She's gonna be my wife in a few days from now. Yes. You're a loser. I thought you were my friend. Ben. You're a bastard.
Stop, Max, stop! Stop! Stop it!
Maxwell, come back! If you know you have power, come back. Real power. Come back, I'll show you something. I just came here because I heard you are getting married. So I came to tell you congratulations, even though you don't deserve this girl.
So are you trying to tell me I don't deserve her?
I'm not trying to tell you anything. I'm telling you straight. You don't deserve this girl.
Ben, let me tell you something. Okay? She's chosen me. And she will choose me over and over you. Okay?
Benjamin, what do you want? Have you come to make trouble again?
Honey, don't worry, okay? I could handle him. If you want to make trouble, I will beat him over and over again.
Yes, you can beat him over and over again. Go and hire a town crier to shout it around the town that you have iron in your hand. You can beat him. But let me tell you something. You can be stronger than me 100,000 times. You can never be as smart as me.
So what is it?
See, if you know you're truly a smart man, let's play. If I win, I keep my girl. But if you win, which you can never win anyways, then she's all yours.
Are you crazy? This is senseless. Leave my house.
Honey, don't worry, I can handle him, okay? He's really senseless. You are senseless. Let me go and get my card. We'll play this.
Wait, what? Oh, Benjamin, please just shut up.
It's a love, I so can never know. Mamo.
So we'll play the game, alright?
Yes.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Bring it. Let me shuffle. Let me shuffle. Fire. Just.
You're a loser, bro. You lose. Loser. Okay,
Benjamin, leave.
go next now. Just go. Leave fast. Leave this place. Just walk out. Just get out. Bounce out. Just get out. Leave. Hey, leave.
Benjamin, leave.
Loser. I told you I'm gonna win. Huh? Oh, baby.
Benjamin, what are you doing here?
Good morning, my angel. How's your night?
How long have you been standing here?
Not for long. I saw when you were taking your children to school, so
Benjamin, what is it? What do you want from me?
my feelings for you, I fought it. And every time I just lose. I fought and lost and fought. So I've decided I'm lost in you. You are my woman, and I'm here for you.
Look, my husband is going to walk in here anytime soon.
I don't care about your husband. I don't. You're my own, and I'm taking you home today. See, you follow me.
Please,
You must.
Please.
Is she going to survive it?
And who are you to her? Her husband or...
Her husband is dead. They were attacked by armed robbers. They killed the husband and I found her unconscious there.
Well, there is a serious damage to her brain. Sustained from the blow. And from the CT scan we performed, it affected the left hemisphere of her brain, which is responsible for speech and writing. That means she will experience aphasia for some time. That's if she survives this.
This aphasia is what?
Oh, I mean she'll be unable to write or talk for some time, depending on the healing rate of her brain.
That's how I stopped talking. I tried explaining to you and your sister about what happened, but I couldn't. I watched you both grow up without being able to tell you how much I love and care about you. I was only trying to protect you from that monster.
Mom, are you saying Dad's friend is a killer?
Yes. He killed your father and he killed Blessing just because he wanted me. And he chose to kill them both to satisfy his desperation.
I can't believe this. We have to do something to stop him, otherwise he's going to hurt you, and not just you. He's the one that kidnapped Uju, isn't it?
Yes.
Mom, Uju was right. We have to report him to the police.
Yes, but he's dangerous. He's very dangerous and he's got his eyes and ears all over town. And that's why I needed to stop Uju. Because if Ben grabs her, if he gets hold of her, he's going to kill her.
Mom!